So in this question, we have two oppositely charged parallel plates, and there is a uniform electric field between them whose value is given, and the distance between the two plates is given by delta x. So now an electron is accelerated from rest from the negative plate, and it passes through a tiny hole in the positive plate. Now in the first part of the question, we have to find the speed at which the electron leaves the hole in the positive plate. And in the second part of the question, we have to show that the gravitational force here can be ignored. So here we assume that there is no gravity or gravitational force here, or simply we can assume that the gravity is ignored, which we prove in part B. Now let's move on to do the first part A, where we have to find the acceleration of the electron. And then using kinematic equations, we have to find the velocity of the electron when it leaves the hole here. Now we know that the electric field is towards right, and since the charge on the electron is negative, we can say that the electron will accelerate towards the right. Now we know that force, which is given by mass times acceleration, will be equal to the electric force here, because there is no other force acting on the system or on the electron here. So the electric force will be charge times the electric field. Now solving these two equations, let's say this and solving these two equations, we get the mass times acceleration should be the magnitude of the charge on the electron times the electric field. And this gives acceleration to be q times the magnitude of q times electric field over the mass of the electron. And the mass of the electron is given to be 9.11 times 10 to the power minus 31 kgs, and the charge on an electron, let's write this over here. So the charge on the electron is 1.609 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now, since the acceleration is constant over here, we can use the constant acceleration relationship in the kinematic equations to find the velocity. So this is the kinematic equation that establishes a relationship between the velocity, the distance, and acceleration. So here our x is basically delta x. So we can simply substitute delta x here. And since the initial velocity, since the electron is starting from rest, so the initial velocity is simply 0 in this equation. Now this gives velocity to be 2 times a times delta x, and this is equal to 2 times the magnitude of the electric charge times electric field over m times delta x. And this gives the value of the velocity to be 9.03 times 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Moving on to the second part of the question, we have to compare the electric force with the gravitational force and show that the gravitational force here can be ignored. Now the gravitational force is basically mass of the electron here and the acceleration due to gravity. Since the mass is same, so if we compare the acceleration of the electron to the acceleration due to gravity, we can compare then the force on the electron, the electric force on electron, and the gravitational force. So let's find the ratio of the acceleration of the electron to the acceleration due to gravity. And this is equal to, from this equation, the magnitude of charge of the electron times E over m divided by acceleration due to gravity. And this gives about 2.60 times 10 to the power 14. This means that the acceleration on the electron is greater than the acceleration due to gravity by a factor of 2.6 times 10 to the power 14. Since this value is really high, we can say that the acceleration due to gravity, or g, can be ignored here, or the gravitational force can be ignored here. Thank you.